Naranasan niyo na ba yung hirap na kayong magtiwala kay Lord? Na ayaw niyo nang magsimba o pumasok ng simbahan dahil sa pagsubok? Nandun yung feeling na para bang pinabayaan ka na ni Lord. Let our gospel for today lead you back to the church. Sabi sa gospel natin ngayong araw, "For this is the will of my Father, that everyone who sees the Son and believes in me may have eternal life." Minsan sa buhay, tinatabangan tayo sa ating pananampalataya hanggang sa maisip na natin bumalik ulit para maniwala tayo kay Jesus. Do it step by step, slowly but surely, or rather slowly with the help of God. No matter how long it takes, as long as we believe in Him, He will embrace us. Ikaw, are you ready to be embraced by the Lord? G ka ba?